Hi, we are here at Ghourd Island Nature Preserve. It is located off of Russell Sampson Road in St. Johns County. We are trying to take advantage of this awesome October Florida weather. And I am Denise Hunton with Exit Real Estate Gallery, here with my two awesome kiddos, Chloe and Liam, and our two pups, which are Lola and Portia. And they are very excited, want to get onto the trail. It's a 2.5-mile loop that sits high above the Florida wetlands, so we should see hopefully some great wildlife, and we're hoping to tire these guys out, and hopefully these guys as well.
I can hear you.
Really?
So there we go. But everybody's excited, especially dogs, so we're going to get on the trail. Come follow us.